All right, pack opening 149. I've pulled one Macklin Celebrini Young Guns, but he's my favorite player in hockey right now. So one Young Guns is not enough. So let's go for two. Let's rip. That's the right team. Ooh, art infused Young Guns, very nice. Also a bang insert, very nice. Ooh, Jack Hughes, just a common base, but very nice. Another bang. Ooh, another Young Guns, a regular Young Guns, very nice. Speaking of ooh, we got a ooh la la. All right, that was a fun rip. Two Young Guns, one art infused, one regular. Thanks for watching. God bless.